Hello everybody, my name is Giselle. We are going to be opening up some goodies that I just received in the mail that I've been waiting for actually not that long, probably just 4 days. I don't even know which one to start with, but actually let's go big. Go big or go home, right? So Iguana. I'm really excited about this right here. I've been hearing great things about it. I've been researching for a very long time as well. My first hand was actually like a $20 hand off of Amazon that I have now thrown in the trash actually. It was one of those plastic ones with the really hard nails, and I just couldn't get my nail to stick on at all. So anyways, long story short, I've been doing a lot of research and have been contemplating getting a, you know, on the more expensive side practice hand. So I finally pulled the trigger and got the REDIGUANA by April Ryan. I'm assuming, I haven't really paid attention to that. But we're going to go ahead and open it so everyone can see what's inside of this lovely package. So as you can see, it comes with a little thank you card, which is cute. Thank you for your order. Oh, it comes with like a little coupon, which is very nice. And it comes with this cute little bracelet that you can put around the wrist, as you'll see, and cute little ring. I kind of like it for myself actually. Anyways, it's for the hand, not me. But here we go. I'm super excited. We're going to be revealing the hand. The back is cute so much. So everything about it so far is very appealing to me. It's a cute little silky baggy thing. I gotta put it, as you see. Ooh. Okay. But very cool and realistic. Like very, very nice. It is a little bigger than my hand, but it's very, very firm. That I can definitely describe it as very firm, very real. I think it's gonna be perfect for what I'm looking for, because I am just beginning to, I should have mentioned that, I'm just beginning to really get into this nail thing, and I've been looking for a hand to really be able to practice on the way that I want to. So let's go ahead and put this on so it looks a little cuter, because it can be a little freaky looking. Cute. I'll just put it. Whoop. Actually, you're going to have to put a little force to try to get this ring down, but that's okay. Okay, that looks cute. That looks cute. All right, I'm going to try to just use these tips that I've bought a very long time ago and I actually didn't like them. So let's see if they were to fit. Ooh, they kind of do, but they're short, but they're going to be okay for me to be able to practice on. As you can see right here, they aren't pointy on the sides, so they're rounded, so you don't really have to worry about it puncturing the silicone, which is very nice. You just go right in there and just put the tip, which is nice because then I can just shape it and put another tip if I really want to make it longer myself. Anyways, so this is the REDIGUANA hand right here. It is very beautiful. I can't wait to try it. I will be making videos of me trying it. I'm definitely going to have to order the extendo tip so I can get my money's worth off of this, obviously. I have a lot of things coming that I'm really excited to show you. Anyways, we're going to get along with the second package that I've also been waiting for very anxiously. This is from D&D Gel Nail Polish. This one specific product that I purchased, very excited about. Again, it is the base coat and the top coat from D&D. So let's go ahead and start with the base and the top coat. Right, so this is the top gel from D&D. No cleanser, so you don't have to wipe at the end, so you don't really have to worry about that tacky feeling that a lot of other top coats leave. So this is highly recommended, and I am excited to try it. This is the base gel. Again, this is a combo, so you would want to probably buy this together for best results. And I also bought some nail polishes, some nail gel polishes. The colors look very pretty. So we got Safari. Oh, and they gave me a cute free little D&D hand sanitizer. Thank you. Well, I can't really show you the color right now, but this is Safari. It's like a green, dark green, like a military green. Well, maybe not, but it's very beautiful. And I can't wait. It's such a fall color in my opinion that I cannot wait to try. This is my white. This is my white. It's called French Tips. Beautiful. You can never go wrong with white. So there we have it. And last but not least, another white. Another white. Thank you everybody for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this. I would really appreciate support from anybody. Like, comment, share, subscribe. There will be more content, more items, and more goodies coming. So please stay tuned, and I hope to be with you guys soon.